Just a refresher on solving linear equations. The first thing you're going to do anytime you have parentheses is you're going to distribute. So 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Make sure you're always aligning that equal sign. The next set of parentheses, I see a negative or a negative 1, so I need to distribute. So I have an 8 that I'm going to bring down, minus 10x. A negative times a negative is a positive 14. The next step, looking on each side of the equal sign, because we're going to look at these separately, do I have like terms? Well, I do. I have 8 and 14. So 14 plus 8 is 22. So I have 22 minus 10x. All right, next, I am going to get all the x's on one side, so I'm going to add 10x to both sides. When I do that, that cancels there, and I'm left with 28x minus 6 equals 22. My next step is I'm going to get all my numbers on the other side, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So I have 28x equals 28. Then the last step is I'm going to divide by 28, divide by 28. Those cancel, and x equals 1. Now, the last thing I would do, especially if you're taking a final or something else, is I would plug it in. 6, 3 times 1 minus 1 should equal 8 minus 10 times 1 minus 14. So here I have 3 minus 1, which is 2. Let's do the inside here. I have 10 minus 14, which is 8 minus a negative 4. So I have 12 on this side and 12 on this side, so I can say for sure that x is the answer. Now, if you were just taking your final and you had to answer something like this and you had 4 multiple choice questions, you could plug all of them in and see which one is true if you'd like to do it that way as well. Whatever problem solving skills you want to use.